everyone. Welcome back to Life with Spirits, where our goal is to teach you quality craft cocktails from the comfort of your own home, the best way we know how. We're a new channel and we appreciate all your support, but please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our new channel. So here at Life with Spirits, we've done a few things so far. We've shown you how to make keto cocktails. We've showed some original recipes. We've even showed you some Brazilian cuisine and how to pair that with a nice wine. So, thinking about what to do today, I think today we go back to a simpler time when you could enjoy a nice cocktail after work, where you could unwind a little bit. Today, we take you to a different era in cocktails.
Hi, baby. What's going on here?
Oh no, but you look beautiful, like a cabaret dancer.
Thank you. You look so older and colorless. What happened?
Well, regardless of my age or my pasty white complexion, today I'm a classic man, and we're going to show you how to make some classic cocktails. Thank you everybody for watching our video, and please don't forget